In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tableau calendar view in 5 minutes. This simple but effective visualization can significantly enhance your data presentation, helping stakeholders understand insights at a glance. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, go ahead and open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, no worries. It's readily available on Tableau's official website. Once you have it open, locate the worksheet you'll be working with. This is where you'll create and build your calendar view. Now, let's get your data prepped. Start by dragging the order date field into the filter section. Once it's there, select month, year, and proceed by clicking the next button. For this example, choose a specific year, such as December 2019. This will allow you to view data for that particular period within your calendar visualization. With the date filtered, it's time to build the framework of your calendar. Drag the order date again, this time into the column shelf, and change its display to weekday. This sets up the columns with each day of the week, organizing your data nicely. Next, drag the order date into the row shelf. Here, you'll adjust the date to reflect the week number. This step is crucial as it structures the rows of your calendar, organizing your data by week. To ensure you have the best view while working, change your view option to Entire View. This utilizes the full space, allowing you to see the complete calendar layout. To add more depth and insight to your calendar, drag the profit measure to the color option in the marks card. This step visualizes profit levels, giving your calendar a more informative look. Colors will now represent different profit ranges, making it immediately clear where performance was strong or weak during the weeks. For further detail, drag the order date to the text marks card and modify it to day. You might want to click on text to adjust the alignment, ensuring all your dates are displayed cleanly within the calendar squares. Speaking of which, change your chart type to square. This offers a clear and uniform calendar look by placing each data point onto its own little square. After that, clean up your view by right-clicking on the axis and choosing Hide Header. This keeps your calendar tidy and focused solely on the data you want to highlight. Incorporate tooltips by dragging order date again to the tooltip shelf. Click tooltip and adjust the displayed text to show only order date and profit. This feature offers additional context when hovering over any given calendar day. Finally, enhance interactivity by clicking on the order date in filters, selecting show filter, and then moving to the legend to select single value dropdown. This enables users to seamlessly examine different months or years, making your calendar dynamic and user-friendly. With these steps, you've successfully created a functional and insightful calendar view in Tableau. Congratulations, and don't forget to experiment with these techniques for even deeper insights in your data presentations.